I would like to relay my utmost disappointment, and I would like you women to please be 100% more cautious of what your children have. GreenHill Academy has disappointed us thoroughly, and I'm so touched by this. In the schools, teachers are teaching children that it is very okay to be gay. They are giving children as young as P1 and P2 storybooks, gay storybooks. You people, can you imagine gay storybooks? A parent checks in a child's bag and finds a gay storybook and asks the child, who gave you this book? And he said, the teachers teach us these things at school. Teacher tells us it's very cool to like a guy. It's very cool to like your friend who is a girl. But you people, what have we gotten to? I'm begging you people, if you have children in those high-class schools, begin to take note. They are being paid to teach our children nonsense. Yeah, I'm so sad. I don't know what this world is getting to. But for me, I think I'm going to resort to just a basic ordinary school. And then the headmaster comes and apologizes that it won't happen again. Why did it happen in the first instance? Why was it even there? A whole library jam-packed with gay storybooks? I'm so disappointed. I'm so sad. Bring them closer to you so you start finding out what is being taught in their classes. Me, I'm touched.